Okay, Vila Falcha, and what is the crack, everybody? My name is Jason Floody and you are all welcome back to my channel. So in this video, what we are going to be doing is the old Irish song, Some Say the Devil is Dead. So we are going to need just 3 chords for this song. It is a D, a G and an A chord. If you know those chords, skip ahead to where we get into the song, and if you don't, stick with me here and I'll quickly show you how to play them. So we'll start off with our G chord. It is the second box, 5th string or A string. In the third box, it is big E or string 6, and also little E string 1. Next we have A. So in the second box, it's D, G and B or 4, 3, 2 all together. For D, box 2, strings 3 and 1, which is your G and little E, and then in box 3 it's the B string. Those are 3 chords we're going to need. We're also going to need to know how to read tabs for this as well. So I have a strumming version and a tab for this song later on. So we'll start with the strumming version first, and then we'll cover the tab after. So with the strumming, we start off in our D chord. Right, the strumming pattern is basically down, down, up, up. Played 2 times for most of the chords. So for the D, you're going down, down, up, up, and again down, down, up, up. But if you look over here, there's a few more strums in there. That's just to increase the speed and the flow of the song. So it starts off with down, down, up, up, and then it goes down, up, down, up, down, up. So kind of do it in 3s. So down, up, down, up, down, up. And only hesitate a little in the middle. Don't actually pause. And on the 4th strum, the first up in the middle, emphasize that strum. So you'll hear a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay? So we start off with the D going down, down, up, up, and then down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Some say devil is dead. Then we're into a G chord. So that goes the same strumming as we just did for the D, but it does the down, up, down, up, down, up twice instead of the down, down, up, up at the start. So it's down, up, down, up 2 times. So the 2 of them together, we've D. Then the next D is a full D, just like we do at the start. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we start D normally. We do our down, down, up, up. And then we go into A and we go down, up, down, and then D, up, up. So A, down, up, down, and D, up, up at the end. So the whole bottom line does D, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, A, down, up, down, up, up, in D. And you go straight back into the start. Now if you want to separate each verse individually, you can just add a D in between. So this is the whole song. It's just this drum and played over and over and over again. I like to put it on a loop pedal and play maybe a tin whistle or something over it, just to create that nice little loop. So it's that played over and over and over again, and if you want to put these in between the verses, you can. So I usually play this twice. So it's Some Say the Devil's Dead, some say the Devil's Dead. That's this part here, and then More Say He Rose Again, More Say He Rose Again is the next part, and then after that you can put a DD in between, or you can go straight into verse 2. I mean, depending on how fast you want to go, you can just keep going and going and going without stopping in the middle. You'll be out of breath, but it sounds very fast, very, very upbeat, and all you need then is a foot stomper in between just to add the beat in the background. So that goes in D. When you're strumming along and playing it, it should sound something like this. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead, and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again, and joined the British Army. So as you can see, guys, I kind of played on a capo 3. A capo is entirely up to you, just to higher or lower it down. Without a capo, it's a little too low for me to sing fast, and it's a little too high for me to sing comfortably. So I put it on a capo 3, so I can sing the low range at a nice quick pace. So that's what I do it on, a capo 3. It's just that strumming over and over and over again. Stick with me here, and I will quickly show you how to play the tab of the song. It's in the key of D, so we're going to be using box 2 a lot, and then on the B string we're using 1 and 3 and open on the E. So there's only a few notes. It's D open D2, G open G2, B string open 1 and 3, and E string open on the bottom. Those are the couple of notes we need. So what I do is I use my first finger for box 1, my middle box 2, and my third finger for box 3, and that kind of gets me through this song fairly quickly. So yeah, let me bring up the tab here and we'll cover it now. Okay, so there are a couple of different sections here. I have it all as one big long tab, with a line dividing the verse part from the kind of chorus part, from the more say rose again, right? So we start off with our D 2 times, and then D number 2, G open, and then G2 and B open. So that's right, that's the start of it. Just practice that. And I like to alternate my picking as well from down to up. It gives you that little speed in some of the places. Instead of always picking down, 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 where you're stuck then at a certain speed, picking down and up will increase your speed in some places. So you have that. So I'm picking down on the 2s and up on the opens. Right. And also it'll help me when I'm changing strings. So the next part then is G20, D22. And then it is G open and D22. Or D open, G open, 2-2 on D. Okay? So that part then goes. Right? So. Then the third part here is the exact same as the first part. D, D open. D2, G open, G2, B open, and then we're on to the higher part. So B number 3, E open, B3, 0, and then on G string 2, 0. Okay, that brings us to the end of the verse section, and then it comes into the chorus. So the chorus starts off on 3 on the B string, and you're going to hit it twice. Then 1, 0, 1, 3. Some say he rose again, or more say he rose again. Then E, so we're going up 1 note. So it's E open, and then 3, 1 on the B string, and 3 and little E open then on the B and E string. Then it's back to the first one, 3, 3 on the B string, 1, 0, 1, 3. And then we finish it off with the G string 0, 2, B, and then G 0, 2, 0. Just like that. So that is the whole thing then, and the chorus part. Just a little showing off there at the end. So that is the whole tab there. Beside me you have the verse part and the chorus. The lyrics may change, but Irish songs are awesome because once you learn a tab or strumming, it's generally the same thing repeated over and over and over again. It's what makes them so catchy and so amazing in the first place. They just find good notes, good tone, and they change the words, but the melody just kind of stays the same the whole way through, repeated, and it's just something that you can get into and enjoy without making it over complex or difficult. It's just something that you can listen to and actually just, well, not listen to. You kind of have to get up and stamp the fuck angry at the ground and start beating the floor of it. But yeah, that is Some Say the Devil is Dead. So guys, if you like that video, hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, leave comments below. That's the phone ringing and ruining this video. That is amazing. Thanks. I'm gonna leave this in, leave it. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below, let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know what songs you want me to do coming up. I am going to do a video soon on Caledonia, so maybe tune in next week for that. I might put that up next week because it's one of my favourite songs to sing and play. I was actually looking through my videos. I'm surprised I didn't put one up yet. So Caledonia is going to be next week. But yeah, that's it. Hit that like button if you liked it. It lets me know that you do like this material, and I can keep going with it every Sunday with a video like this. So thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you next time.